Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this ASUS. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and tap on security and lock screen. Now select face recognition, enter your current login method, read this disclaimer and tap on next. After that, make sure that this mark will show 100% and follow those instructions over here. Now you need to select one of those options. I want to set up detect face to show all notifications, so I have to tap on that one and choose done. Now to enable face recognition, choose turn on at the bottom right corner, and then when I turn off my screen, now turn it back on. I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!